Hi there. Still experimenting here. It's been a long time. Anyway, to save a program over top of the original version of the program that you made changes to, I just tried another thing. And you put in save, quote, an @ sign, then a colon, then the name of the program, and then, of course, comma 8. And it will actually replace the program. How do I know this? Well, if I list the program, I will see that it's there. If I type in new, and it's go, and then I load World Commodore Comet 8, and it is spinning. Type in list, there it is. It is the new and perhaps not improved version of the program. So I find I like to save things over and over again with slightly different names, or add a 1 or a 2 or whatever, to make sure that if something tragic goes on and I really screw up, that I have a previous version. But you don't have to do that. You can save at. You can save, quote, at, colon, name of the program. It will replace the old program with the new one. But then, of course, the old program is gone. Keep that in mind. Be careful. And above all, enjoy your time dwelling in the world of Commodore. Bye for now.